Today's video is going to be a little different. I'm doing something I've never done on a video before. I'm going to go and buy a model train used offline and talk through my whole thought process as I'm looking for the train to buy, because I don't know what I'm going to buy yet. But I'm going to let you inside my head here just so you can see what I'm thinking. There's not much going on up there, but that leaves plenty of room for activities. Plus, you get to see what made me have this reaction.
No.
Buying used is a really big part of model railroading. If you've ever been to a model train show, you have seen tons of tables with used model railroad equipment on there. And that's because it is a great way to get affordable things for your model train collection. You can get all sorts of things used. There are people who buy majority used or completely all used. So let's get into my process of buying something used. Let's go see what I can find.
Alright guys, so welcome to what my workshop room actually looks like most of the time. I've got my workbench on wheels. Fun fact, you should really put your workbench on wheels. So what we're going to do is we're going to be looking for some used items. The first place that I will typically go, actually, instead of eBay, is Trains.com. And this is one of my personal favorites. Let's go and go to model trains, and I want to search for my main layout right now. So we're going to go in scale. Let's search price low to high. Let's see if we can find some good deals. Oh boy. Troop kitchen car, that's interesting. I don't think I've ever actually seen that listed. There's another one. So we got like good assortments of passenger cars, but no real sets like what I want. And then we're going to switch it up and we're going to look for some diesel locomotives to start. Yeah, we got a lot of decent stuff here. I got some lifelike locomotives. It has the Rapido couplers, so that would have to be switched out. And this is one thing I really love about Trains.com is that you have the condition, you have the operational status, and whether or not it has the original box. And it also gives you the original price. So we're looking at something that's about $84 new when it was sold. DC locomotive. It does say that it is high noise, so it's definitely an older in-scale locomotive that has that a lot of lifelike stuff here, and that's not necessarily a bad thing. Hi, friend. I love finding stuff like this. This is an E8, so any of these big shells like this, you have plenty of room if they don't have a decoder to fit a decoder in. That doesn't look bad. We're going to keep this open. It does say it's DC only, but that's not too much of an issue. What else we got? Oh, look, there's Kato. Is that an A and B set? And those are both powered. That's interesting too. See, then you're driving there and you find things like this and you're just like, oh my goodness. This is what I'm talking about. Like, the used market is where it's at now. I think I actually had this locomotive as a kid, this Norfolk Southern. While we're at it though, let's look at Steam. But this is the good thing about Trains.com is they're pretty honest and they'll show you what's wrong with it. And you can see that those drive shafts are, on that side at least, are not that great. Although it could be fixed. I see something like this. This used to come in a set. I actually had it as a kid, the in-scale Empire Builder, and this was such a fun set to run. This thing was huge and just so much fun to watch run around the track. So this one is C7. Hand grabs on the front of the locomotives are broken. Instruction manual is not included. Does not have the original box. But see, this is where I get in trouble. I'm getting in trouble right now because I'm like, oh, look, I've got this locomotive. Oh, but I've got this locomotive. Ooh. See, this is the problem. It's like, I don't run Southern Pacific. I've never run Southern Pacific, but I'm like, it's only $83 for a steam locomotive. Previous owner has removed the DCC function from the engine. Why would you do that? Hopefully it's still DCC ready. Oh, hi. I am a sucker for Southern Railway. Okay, so that is looking through Trains.com. That is probably my most trusted used source, and I think a lot of people trust Trains.com. So let's go ahead and go to my second most trusted source, but you have to be a little bit more careful, and that is eBay. So, and you can see my eBay is nothing but trains because that's all I buy. It's only a problem if you acknowledge it. Oh, it's bid. I thought I was about to be like, if this was $20 for 3 of these with knuckle couplers and everything, that was about to be snatched. So eBay is a really good place to find a lot of rolling stock. I have bought several locomotives off eBay as well, but you have to be a little bit more careful and you have to manage your expectations. This is an N-scale Bachmann GE U36. Nowhere close to DCC ready, but again, that's not an issue. We can always just hardwire a decoder into it. I wonder This is me thinking right here is like, look, it's on sale for $19.99. Why is it priced for $36? Santa Fe locomotive for repair in scale. This locomotive for repair, check it out. There is wood on the inside. Many have been a dummy. Whoa, hello. There's wires coming out of it, like literally coming out of it. No. Okay, that's definitely a dummy locomotive, but why? I mean, they're being honest. It says it has wood in it and it's a dummy locomotive, but whoa. You're going to see so many of these high-speed, in-scale Southern Pacific diesels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, yes, that's still them, 34, 35. So the first page has 35. Oh, look, you can buy a magazine. I don't even know how old that is. I'm sure there's someone that wants that. Okay, let's get specific. So let's see if we can find buy it now, in scale, New York Central locomotive. I think I'm set on that. Oh, that's not bad. Now, hold on. Okay. We might have to see what we can do with that. Let's see what else we have. Oh, it's the Hudson, too, and you know by the color what it was. Look at that. Oh, it's so close to one that I would just snap decision by. Oh. Okay, we're going back to that Bachman. It's $49.99 and free shipping. Yeah, we'll add it to cart. Oh, look, now it's throwing like every New York Central under the sun at me. I went ahead and picked up a decoder as well from one of the mini model train shop eBay pages. I may need to do a little bit of work on it, but we're gonna... This is where I get nervous. Let's go for it. Hey! Our order is in, and we'll just have to see what we get.
All right, got a New York Central on the way. Gonna have to wait for that to get in here to really see if it works. Of course, I will do an update when that comes in. And who knows, I might do a video on converting it to DCC. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, I'm Jimmy from the DIY and Digital. Stay safe, be kind, and happy railroading.